If you never had this ice cream whilst growing up, then you really missed out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Tilly Cooks. I'm excited to have you all here. In today's video, we'll be making one of my favorite childhood snacks, popularly known in Ghana as Abele walls. And I'm sure you would love this. We will be using some custard, some evaporated milk, vanilla essence, condensed milk. We'll also make use of milk powder or powdered milk. We'll have some plastic cups and then popsicle sticks, and we are good to go. So in a bowl, we're going to mix 1 cup of custard with water to form a uniform consistency, and then ensure that we do not have any lumps. And then we are going to transfer this into a bigger bowl, and then we will add some boiling water and stir continuously until the custard is ready. We do not want to have any lumps, so please stir it very well. Then in a separate bowl, we're going to mix the milk powder or the powdered milk with water and add it to our custard mixture and stir as well to ensure that everything has mixed very well. Then we'll now add in our evaporated milk and stir that as well to ensure everything is well combined. Then we are going to add in the condensed milk. Now, the condensed milk is the sweetener we are using here. We are not using sugar. So once you add the condensed milk, you need to taste to be sure that the sugar level or how sweet it is it's as sweet to your taste, okay? But for me and for those who have sweet tooth, we like it a little sweet, so I added some extra condensed milk. And guys, if I tell you how nice this is, well, we'll proceed to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to give it the flavor we need, because this is a milk ice cream. So we're going to add that and stir it continuously, and the ice cream is ready. It's that simple. No cooking, nothing. So we'll transfer this into a plastic cups, or if you have a popsicle mold, you can use that. Add in our sticks, and then we will freeze this for at least 6 hours, depending on how good your freezer is. But sometimes it could stay longer than that in the freezer. And guys, the ice cream is ready. Just look at this. It tastes so good. Like when I tasted it, it brought back memories of those days in school when we were close, and then those who sold this ice cream would just be there. We would have to save our money just to buy this and enjoy on our way back home. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're going to give it a try. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.